have this lady, she is pitching along 0.65 seconds, and the pitch arm is 0.7 meters, and we have a speed of 20 meters per second. We need the acceleration. Remember, we have two accelerations. We have the AT and the A perpendicular. What is the formula for AT? V2 minus V1 over the time, and the A radial is V squared over R. When the tangential ball is 20 meters per second, so that is our final. So that's 20 minus 0, because she starts from 0, and over the time, which is 0.65, right? And if you do this, you will get 30.8 meters per second square. That's the tangential velocity. For the radial, it's the same thing. We are leaving at this point with the same speed. So that's going to be 20 square. And how much is the pitch arm? That is 0.7. You do the calculations, that 571 meters per second square. Now, they're asking us to find the magnitude of the total acceleration, which means you say square root 30.8 square plus 571 square. Makes sense? Because each one of them is perpendicular to the other, and you do the Pythagorean rule, and then you take the square root of each one of those. And if you did the same, that thing going to be 572 meters per second square. This is the entire content of it. And if you're probably just changing from the values, or changing the position of the subject